morning everyone, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Yesterday we seen how to find out the LCM of the given number. We discussed two methods, one was prime factorization method and second was division method. Okay, so today we will discuss the exercise question. This is exercise 2E. So we have question number 3, find the LCM of the following. Particular method is not mentioned here, so we can use here division method. Alright, so we have the number 24, 36, 54 and 60. We have to find out the LCM of these number. Alright, so first we have to arrange in one place only. You can see 24, 36, 54, 60 all are arranged in one place. Now we need to take the smallest prime number by which we can divide the numbers, the given numbers. Alright, so we'll take 2 because 24, 36, 54, 60 all are divisible by 2. Okay, so we'll take 2 and divide. When we divide this 24 by 2, we'll get here 12. When we divide 36, we'll get here 18, here we'll get 27 and here we'll get 30. Alright. Now here you can see 12, 18 and 30. These three numbers we can divide still by 2. So we'll take 2 because yesterday I told you according to the rule at least 2 should be divisible from the list. So here we have three numbers which we can divide by 2. So we'll take 2 and divide. So let's divide. First we'll divide this 12 by 2. We'll get here 6. Alright. When we divide 18 by 2, we'll get here 9. Alright. When we divide 27 by, this is not possible, we can't divide, so we'll write as it is according to the rule. Alright. Now we need to divide this 30, so we'll get here 15. Am I clear you all? Now if you see here we don't have any even number, so we can't divide by 2. So we'll move for the next prime number and we'll check whether these numbers are divisible by the next prime number or not. And the next prime number is 3. Alright. So 6, 9, 27 and 15 all are divisible by 3. So we'll take 3 and divide. When we divide this 6, we'll get here 2. 9 when we divide by 3, we'll get here 3. 27 when we divide, we'll get here 9. 15 when we divide, we'll get here 5. Alright. Now we have here 2, 3, 9 and 5. Alright. So 3 and 9 we can divide by 3. And according to the rule 2 should be divisible. So 2 are there. So again we will take 3 here and divide these two number, and 2 and 5 will write as it is, as you can see on the screen. So 2 same. Now we will divide this 3 by 3. So we will get here 1. 9 will divide by 3, so we'll get here 3, and 5 we can't divide, so we'll write same as it is. Alright, so now we need to find out the LCM. Yesterday I told you LCM is what? Product of factors and undivided numbers. Alright, so let's multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. Same thing I mentioned here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 5. Now when we multiply, we'll get here 1080. This is the answer of this question. Okay, so this is the LCM. This is how we have to find out the LCM using division method. Now let's move to the next question, and the question is question number 5. The question is find the HCF. Find the HCF as well as LCM of each of the following pairs. Okay, here we have the question number 1, 108 and 180. Now in this question we have to find out the HCF as well as LCM. So both the thing we have to find out. HCF we already studied. Alright, and LCM right now we are discussing. Clear now? So let's solve this question. So we have 108 and 180. So for HCF, for LCM you arrange, and for the HCF also you arrange. Alright. Now the division process is same. We need to take the smallest prime number Now start dividing. So when we divide this 108 by 2, we'll get here 54, and when we divide this 180, we'll get here 90. Alright, still both the number we can divide by 2, so we'll divide. When we divide this 54, we'll get here 27, and when we divide this 90, we'll get here 45. Alright, now by 2 we can't divide these two numbers. We'll go for next prime number and check whether these two numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so easily we can divide both the number by 3. So we'll take 3 and divide. We'll get here 9 and 15. When we divide this 27 and 45, we'll get here 9 and 15. Okay, and this 9 and 15 is still we can divide by 3. So we'll take 3 and divide these two numbers. When we divide, we'll get here 3 and 5. Am I clear, you all? Okay, now same thing is on here also, because for HCF also we have to do the same process. Alright, now same thing you can see here. Now LCM. Now LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Alright, we'll get 540. Clear? When we multiply these factors and undivided number, we'll get here 540. I mean 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. We'll get 540. Now for the HCF, only we have to take the factors. I mean this much part. Alright, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. I mean 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this will be the HCF. When we multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, we'll get here 36. This is the HCF. Okay, this is how we have to solve this question. We have to find out LCM as well as HCF. Okay, so I hope today whatever I discussed with you, each and everything is clear to you all. Thank you.